Have you ever felt an instant pull toward someone without knowing why? A glance, a voice, a smell, and suddenly they're all you can think about. But what really drives that spark we call sexual attraction? Today, we're diving deep into the psychology, biology, and subconscious forces that shape desire. Welcome to Mind Unlocked. 1. It all starts in the brain. Forget the myth that attraction starts with the eyes. It actually begins inside your brain. When you're drawn to someone, the hypothalamus kicks in. It floods your system with dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Dopamine makes that person seem exciting, intoxicating, even addictive. That's why early attraction often feels like a rush. You're on a natural high. You're not just falling for someone, you're getting chemically rewarded for being near them. 2. The power of symmetry and signals. We're wired to notice symmetry in faces and bodies. Why? Evolution sees it as a sign of health and strong genetics. But attraction goes beyond beauty. Your brain is constantly reading micro-signals. Tone of voice, facial expressions, eye contact, even how someone moves. A confident posture, open body language, and genuine smile can trigger feelings of desire, even if you don't consciously notice them. Your brain does the scanning. You just feel the pull. 3. Chemistry you can't smell. Pheromones. Have you ever liked someone's natural scent without knowing why? It's not just cologne, it's pheromones. These chemical messengers are produced by your body and can influence attraction on a subconscious level. One famous study found women were more attracted to the scent of men whose immune system genes were different from theirs. This biological mismatch is ideal for making healthier children. So yes, your nose might be choosing your next crush. 4. Similar or different. The attraction. Paradox psychologically, we're drawn to people who are similar to us. Similar values, humor, education, even habits. This gives a sense of familiarity and safety, but we're also attracted to difference, to mystery, excitement, novelty. Someone who challenges our thinking or lifestyle. Too similar feels boring. Too different feels chaotic. The strongest attraction often lies in the balance, familiarity with a spark of mystery. 5. Childhood attachment shapes adult desire. This one's powerful. Your early experiences with love and security form your attachment style, and that shapes your adult relationships. If you had secure attachment, you're more likely to be drawn to stability. If love was inconsistent, your brain may link anxiety with attraction. If love meant performance or perfection, you may crave approval in relationships. We often confuse chemistry with what feels familiar, even if that familiarity is unhealthy. 6. Culture, media, and social conditioning. Attraction isn't purely biological, it's also cultural. Media tells us what is desirable, from body types to gender roles, fashion to status. Our brains absorb this input and form preferences, often without us realizing it. Social media adds another layer. The more we're exposed to certain looks or behaviors, the more normal and attractive they seem. So yes, your Instagram feed might be reprogramming your type. 7. Mirror neurons and emotional energy. Have you ever felt connected to someone just by watching them? That's mirror neurons at work. Cells in your brain that mimic what others feel or express. These neurons fire when you see someone smile, laugh, or even flirt. It creates a shared emotional rhythm. This helps explain why chemistry can feel instant, even if you barely know the person. Your brain is syncing with theirs, like a dance you don't know you're doing. 8. Trauma and toxic attraction. Let's get honest. Not all attraction is healthy. Sometimes we're drawn to patterns that mirror unhealed trauma. If chaos was your baseline growing up, you might associate emotional volatility with passion. If rejection was common, you might mistake anxiety for chemistry. This is where awareness is power. You can feel the attraction, but pause and ask, is this what I want or just what I'm used to? 9. Can you change what you're attracted to? Good news. Attraction isn't completely fixed. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire, means you can change preferences over time. With self-awareness, healing, and new experiences, you can train your brain to desire healthier patterns. You're not locked into your past. Desire can evolve if you do. So what really drives desire? It's not just looks, not just scent. It's a mix of brain chemistry, childhood experience, cultural conditioning, and subconscious memory. Desire is one of the most complex and human things we experience. But when we understand it, we stop being slaves to it. Because in the end, you don't just choose who you're attracted to, your mind does. And the more you understand your mind, the more you unlock your true power. Thanks for watching Mind Unlocked. If this video opened your eyes, drop a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What surprised you most about the psychology of attraction? We'll see you in the next one.